Hello student, welcome back to nice square root Olympiad math problem. In this problem we are solving a root of 9 into power 9 minus 9 into power 8 is equal to unknown. So as we noted 9 is equal to 8 plus 1. Now we write here 9 into power 8 plus 1 minus 9 into power 8. So in next step we use this formula n to power m plus n is equal to n to power m into n to power n. After applying this formula, we get 9 into power 8 into 9 into power 1 minus 9 into power 8. So in next step, under root of 9 into power 8 into 9 minus 1. In next step, this 9 into 8 into 9 minus 1 is also equal to 8. Now we use this formula root of x y is equal to under root of x into under root of y. After applying this formula, we get under root of in next step we apply this formula under root of 9 into power 8 into under root of 8. Now in next step we write 9 into 4 multiplied by 2. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8, and this multiplied by under root of 8, and root of 8 is also equal to 4 multiplied by 2 under the root. And next we use this formula n to power m plus n is equal to n to power m whole into power n. After using this formula we get 9 into 4 under the root 2 into under the root 4 into under the root 2. In next step 9 into 4 into under root of 4 is also equal to 2 into under the root of 2. So in next step this 9 into power 4 is 2 plus 2 into 2 into under the root 2, that is 9 into 2 into 9 into this 2 into 2 into under the root of 2. So in next step 9 into 2 is equal to 9 multiplied by 9, that is also equal to 81. 81 into 81 into 2 minus under the root 2. 81 multiplied by 81, that is equal to 81. After multiplication we get video 1, and this will be 6, and this will be 5, this will be 6. 6561. Now 6561 into 2 minus into under the root of 2. Six into 5, 61 multiplied by 2 into under the root of 2. 6 into 5 into 61 multiplied by 2. This will be 2, 2, 1, and this will be 13. 13 into 122. Now this will be 13 into 122 into under the root of 2. This is our final answer to solve this Olympiad tricky math problem. Hope you will understand. If you have any question or suggestion, please write in comment box. Thank you for watching video till end. And now our answer is 133, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2 into under the root of 2.